Alright, YouTube friends. Today I have an unboxing of the Tamiya Porsche Boxster Special Edition in 124 scale. This car is actually near and dear to me because I actually have it. I actually own this car, not the Special Edition, but the Boxster. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to build this in the likeness of my car. See how that turns out. So this is I think this kit is probably like maybe 15 years old. This is the first generation Boxster, so I'm pretty sure that it came out during that same time frame. Let me see if there's any clues about when this was. Nothing, or at least not in English. So, but my guesstimate is it's probably about 15 years old. So it's not super old, but it's not brand new either. This is like a curb-only kit, curbside kit, meaning there's no engine, which actually makes a lot of sense because, the Boxster is mid-engine mount. It's actually, the engine's right around here, and it's very difficult to get to, and it's, even if you lift this up, it's, you won't be able to see the engine, so it's actually kind of pointless to have an engine this model. All right, so I'm looking at the body, and it's very clean. This is a gas tank. This is where it's supposed to be. Door handles are exactly the way that it is on the rear car. And this is the air intake for the mid-engine. Yeah, it's very clean. This is actually the way it's supposed to look. So impressive so far. And these are the rims. Looks like this is the only chrome tree on this kit. So these are the light buckets, of course, and then you have chrome mirrors. And then you have the leather seats. This is actually very realistic because there is like these expandable, not compartments, but just, I don't know, just they look expandable compartments in the back seat. And yeah, and the leather of the seat looks about right. So, and you have the door. It looks fairly realistic or fairly accurate. So I'll compare my car to this. And yeah, the dashboard looks realistic as well. So there should be two speaker mounts right here. Yeah, it looks good so far. And then this is the cockpit tub. It looks realistic. So this kit gives you the opportunity to build both the Special Edition with the different rims, and also this cover for the this spider type cover for when you have the convertible top down. So these are the rims that are there. And then here you have the decals, and these look like speakers. And then you have the Porsche emblems, Boxster emblems, instrument panel. So nothing really special, but it works. Okay, and this is the clear parts, and it looks like the rear lights are in clear. You have the side runner lights in clear, and then this is the right. This part is for the you know, for to not when the convertible top is down, it saves on it prevents a massive amount of buffeting. And this is the windshield, and you can actually have it built as a hardtop and also as a convertible top up, and then the side mirrors are separate, you know, and then these are the front lights, of course. So, and then the nice thing is that they actually have the what do you call it, the masking for the rear for the window, for the clear parts, which is really good, because those things can be very difficult to create. And these are the wheels, and they are, you know, typical Tamiya rubber wheels. You know, very nice feel and touch. My favorite types, my favorite model kits wheels, tires, I mean. And then here, this is the chassis bucket. Looks like the engine is molded here, which again makes sense because you won't really be able to see it anyway, even if you built it. Yeah, this is like the rear catalytic converter muffler system. So the air intakes, steering wheel, and then the front and rear bumpers are molded separately. So yeah, it looks good. The only thing is the steering wheel is might be inaccurate. At least this is like the 4-spoke Porsche steering wheel, and I think it should be a 3-spoke version. So anyway, I'm going to take photographs of all this so that you can have a very close look at what is in the box and also the instructions. So stand by. Thanks for watching.